Have you ever wondered how stars are born? How they grow? And where they come from? Today, we're exploring something truly magical in our universe: star clusters. What exactly is a star cluster? Star clusters are big families of stars, all born from the same giant cloud of gas and dust. Think of a huge cosmic nursery where hundreds and sometimes thousands of stars are born together. Because they form at the same time, every star in a cluster is like a sibling, sharing the same age, but growing into different sizes, colors, and brightness. Did you know that our own sun was also born in a star cluster billions of years ago? So, how does a star cluster form? It all begins in enormous glowing clouds called nebulae, places filled with hydrogen gas, dust, and cosmic minerals. Gravity slowly pulls these gases inward. The cloud collapses. It becomes denser, hotter, and suddenly a baby star lights up. Not just one star, but dozens, hundreds, or even millions form together. These newborn shining stars make what we call a star cluster. Another cool fact: newborn clusters shine brighter than entire small galaxies for a short time. So, how many types of star clusters do we have? Open clusters, young and bright. They have a few hundred young stars, usually blue and hot. They live in the spiral arms of galaxies where new stars are still forming. A famous example is the Pleiades, also called the Seven Sisters. It's so bright you can spot it with the naked eye. Many open clusters drift apart after millions of years as their stars move away, just like grown siblings going out into the world. Then there is globular clusters, ancient and enormous. They are giant glowing spheres containing hundreds of thousands of tightly packed stars. These stars are extremely old. Some are 12 to 13 billion years old, almost as old as the universe itself. One of the most famous is the Omega Centauri, so massive that scientists believe it might be the leftover core of an ancient galaxy. Globular clusters, orbits around galaxies like swarms of cosmic fireflies. Why are star clusters important? Scientists love studying clusters because all the stars inside are born at the same time, but have different masses and evolve differently. This gives astronomers a natural laboratory to learn on how stars are born, how do they age, how they change color and temperature, and how they eventually die. Star clusters are like time capsules that reveal the full life cycle of stars. Another amazing fact: by studying clusters, scientists discover how long stars lived, depending on how big they are. The universe is full of star families. So, the next time you look at the night sky, remember, many of those tiny dots of light are not alone. They are part of magnificent star clusters, shining together across billions of years. Every cluster tells a story. Every star has a journey. And every night sky is filled with cosmic families, lighting up our universe.